Start. It lays down that only on the ground of such omission, absence, or error, the ultimate finding, sentence, or order will not be invalid unless a failure of justice has in fact been occasioned thereby. Full stop. Section 465 incorporates the same test of the failure of justice while dealing with any error, omission, or irregularity in the proceedings. Full stop. While deciding whether there is a failure of justice occasioned due to error, omission, or irregularity in the trial, the court is required to consider the fact whether the objection could and should have been raised at an earlier stage in the proceedings. Full stop. There is a specific provision to that effect under subsection 2 of section 465 para. In such a case, if the accused is appearing in person and wants to defend himself without opting for legal aid, perhaps there may be a requirement of supplying a translated version of the charge sheet and documents or the relevant part thereof concerning the said accused to him. Full stop. It is, however, subject to the accused satisfying the court that he is unable to understand the language in which the charge sheet is submitted. Full stop. When the accused is represented by an advocate who fully understands the language of the final report of charge sheet, there will not be any requirement or furnishing translations to the accused, as the advocate can explain the contents of the charge sheet to the accused. Full stop. If both the accused and his advocate are not conversant with the language in which the charge sheet has been filed, then the question of providing translation may arise. Full stop. The reason is that the accused must get a fair opportunity to defend himself. Full stop. He must know and understand the material against him in the charge sheet. Full stop. There is an essence of Article 21 of the Constitution of India with the availability of various software and artificial intelligence tools for making translations. Providing translations will not be that difficult now. Full stop. In the cases mentioned aforesaid, the courts can always direct the prosecution to provide a translated version of the charge sheet. Full stop. But we must hasten to add that a charge sheet filed within the period provided either under section 167 or CRPC or any other relevant statute in a language other than the language of the court or the language which the accused does not understand is not illegal, and no one can claim a default bail on that ground. Para. There is no bar in law to the amendment of pleadings in an application under section 7 or to the filing of additional documents apart from those initially filed along with application under section 7. Full stop. In the absence of any express provision which either prohibits or sets a time limit for filing of additional documents, it can be said that the adjudicating authority committed any illegality or error in permitting the appellant bank to file additional documents. Full stop. Needless, however, to mention that depending on the facts and circumstances of the case, when there is inordinate delay, the adjudicating authority might, at its discretion, decline the request of an applicant to file additional pleadings and documents and proceed to pass a final order. Stop.